My son has been so excited to start kindergarten here, and we've really loved this new Reggio-inspired program that they're doing. Their first week of school, they went on a nature walk around the beautiful King campus, and from that walk, they were collecting leaves and seeds and acorns and stones, and that inspired a whole unit of learning that they did back in the classroom for the next few weeks. And because it was spawned from work that they did and their curiosity from their nature walk, they just seemed to take in so much more information because it was a natural, sort of organic way to learn and to start the conversation, and they could relate what they were learning to what they'd actually been touching outside and what they found. And so they started a lesson around rocks and minerals, and that went to fossils, and then they're growing seeds, and it's a program that I'm excited to see grow.